really love the colours on this page. They just caught my eye. Not just the leftover paint here, but also how it works with the red from the printed page. And this is in my junk journal, so that was already down on this page, and then I just added some colours over the top, kind of randomly. And you know, it was just some leftover paint as usual from another project that ended up on this page and then just got left in my junk journal for me to have a look at to see if anything popped out to work on at another stage. So when I started this, when it did pop out at me and I decided I wanted to work on it, I knew that I wanted to keep the colour palette, maybe tease it out a little bit more, add some other colours that I know will work with this colour combination that's already down there. So I think that's kind of where I started with this one. It was all about the colour. So I wasn't sure where I wanted to go with it or what I wanted to do with it. Plus, I wasn't even confident that any of the projects I was working on that day would lead to a finished or showable piece. And it was one of those kind of days, you know? I was having a tough time start. So I picked out, I just thought, okay, look, I want to do something. I'm not sure what it is, so I'll just pick out 4 random pages from 4 different junk journals. I have quite a few junk journals that I sort of dot in and out of. And I just sort of picked some at random, ones that popped out at me, ones that didn't necessarily pop out at me. And I thought, I'll just go with it, see where it goes. And as you know, junk journals are perfect for the kind of no pressure art where you just allow yourself to experiment. So another thing that I did that you're going to see in this piece is that I fell back heavily on some of my favourite motifs, circles. There's going to be a lot of them. When in doubt, add a circle, which seems to be my motto at the moment. Well, one of my mottos. I've got a few different things going on that I kind of fall back on when I need them. But maybe you'll see a few of them in this video. So I have to admit, I didn't think the circles were going to stay the course. I used them as a way of just sort of branching off and getting this page started, and I thought that they would end up covered up as we went along. But to my surprise, they stayed the course, didn't they? They stayed all the way with us. And I actually ended up reinserting them at the end to make them more of a feature. So I hope you're having fun with your art moment and that it's going really smoothly, that you have no blocks or hiccups stopping you from creating. But if you are struggling, don't forget that you can always lean into old favourites and use them as launch pads to take you through, get the art out there, get you working. And doing that for me with this page I think really helped, and I think I really needed it. So there's nothing wrong with pulling out those old favourites again and again and again, which, yeah, it happens. Let's just call it a style, shall we? Okay, so I have more videos, as you know, here on my channel that will help you to get some stuff done, hopefully get you inspired. So go watch these next and I will see you over there. Have fun creating. Thanks for watching. Bye.